Welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into a highly notable and intense traffic situation that was just caught on camera. Strap in and let's get right into it. A dangerous red light violation by the black sedan, nearly T-boning a gray sedan that had the right of way. The close call forced the gray sedan driver to honk the horn in warning. Driving like they own the road. This gray sedan driver decides to pull a blind U-turn out of nowhere, giving the dashcam vehicle a serious scare.
step is understood to be a new turbo compressor, the same dimensions as the current one, but with revised turbine geometry.
Sounds juicy.
It does. Need ChatGPT to explain it all, but I thought they were going to a bigger turbo.
Yeah, I thought they said last time they were going to put a bigger snail on it, but
That's what I thought. We've been through Williams. It's a bit of a shitbox. Barbs, you nearly... I'm going to put you on the spot here because we haven't done predictions for this weekend. You nearly guessed Max Verstappen was going to win Austria, which was a great shout.
Thanks. It's an easy bet, though. The guy's a freak. You going to ask me who I think for Silverstone, mate? Is that what you were going to do then?
Fuck off, idiot.
Yeah, what's your top three?
A close call at the roundabout as a heavy truck towing a small excavator fails to yield, cutting straight in front of the vehicle inside the circle and narrowly avoiding a crash. Nearly missing their exit, the dark blue SUV decides to make a highly dangerous last-second cut from the far lane, crossing over the painted gore zone to force its way into the off-ramp right in front of the dashcam. Bitter cost of distraction. Failing to control its speed, the black sub rear-ends the silver sedan, quietly waiting at the red light.